Your body is not breaking down by accident. Every single day, millions of cells are damaged and repaired. What determines whether your body heals efficiently or slowly declines isn't luck. It's whether your internal repair systems are being supported or silently suppressed. One of the most powerful of these systems is stem cell regeneration. Most people associate stem cells with labs, injections, or advanced medical treatments. But research tells a very different story, one that involves ordinary daily choices, especially what you consume. In this video, we'll break down 3 overlooked drinks that research shows can support stem cell activity naturally, helping your body maintain resilience, circulation, and cellular renewal as you age. Stay with me until the end, because the final drink has been shown in controlled studies to significantly increase circulating stem cells, a discovery that surprised even the researchers themselves. Why stem cells matter.
That can turn into anything you need them to be. Turn into a brain, heart, lung, liver, skin, hair. Our stem cells actually regenerate us from the inside out.
Stem cells are often called the body's master repair cells. They help repair damaged tissues, support blood vessel health, maintain brain and nerve function, aid recovery and resilience as we age. In younger bodies, stem cells circulate easily, but as we age or consume inflammatory foods and drinks, their activity drops sharply. Research shows that lifestyle choices, especially what we consume daily, can either support or suppress stem cell function. That's why the drinks you choose matter more than you think. Let's break down the first one. Drink 1. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice isn't just another fruit drink. It contains powerful compounds called elagitanins, which convert in the gut into urolithins, molecules linked to cellular renewal and mitochondrial health. Why does this matter? Your mitochondria power your cells. Healthier mitochondria, better repair and regeneration. What research suggests? Pomegranate compounds help reduce oxidative stress, one of the main enemies of stem cells. They support healthy blood flow, which allows stem cells to circulate more effectively. Studies referenced by researchers like Dr. William Lee associate pomegranate intake with improved cellular protection. How to use it? Choose 100% pure pomegranate juice. No added sugar. A small glass, 4 to 6 oz, is enough. You can dilute it with water to reduce sugar load. This isn't about excess. It's about consistency. Drink 2. Green tea and black tea.
There's a polyphenol in tea, catechin, that's actually really, really good for you. Not only does it cut off the blood supplies to help starve cancers, not only is it anti-inflammatory, not only does it help protect your stem cells so you can regenerate from the inside out, the fiber in green tea and some of the catechin itself is actually a prebiotic, helps to nourish your gut microbiome, take your gut bacteria, make it happy. It's antioxidant, good for your DNA.
Most people think only green tea matters, but both green and black tea offer powerful benefits.
Actually, surprisingly, the Earl Grey, the black tea with flavored bergamot, actually was the most potent tea when you looked at all 3 side by side. Black tea actually can call out those stem cells from your bone marrow to increase their levels in your circulation. And when your stem cells are circulating in your blood, they come out of their hiding spots in their storage container, the garage that the paint cans were stored in. They come out like bees flying out of a hive, and then they circulate in your body looking for organs to repair. So wherever you need a little bit of renewal, regeneration, your stem cells will fix it invisibly.
They come from the same plant, Camellia sinensis. The difference lies in processing, not effectiveness. The key compounds: polyphenols, catechins, EGCG, especially high in green tea. These compounds reduce inflammation, protect stem cells from damage, support vascular health, crucial for stem cell circulation. Some studies suggest tea consumption can increase circulating stem cell counts, especially when consumed consistently over time. Best practices: 1 to 2 cups daily, hot or iced. Avoid adding milk if possible. It can interfere with antioxidant absorption. A slice of lemon can actually enhance bioavailability. This simple daily habit quietly supports long-term repair. Quick question. Which of these do you already drink regularly? Pomegranate juice or tea? Comment below with P or T. I read every comment. Now, let's talk about the drink that surprised researchers. Drink 3. High flavanol hot cocoa. This one catches almost everyone off guard. Not sugary chocolate drinks, not candy bars. We're talking about high flavanol cocoa. The science. Cocoa is rich in flavanols, compounds known to improve blood vessel function, increase nitric oxide production, enhance circulation, a critical factor for stem cell mobilization. A clinical study found that participants who consumed high flavanol hot cocoa twice daily for 30 days experienced a dramatic increase in circulating stem cells. That's significant because circulating stem cells are the ones actively involved in repair.
Studies have been done to show that the flavanols in cocoa stimulate stem cells to come out of your bone marrow like bees in a beehive in your bloodstream, and they go out and they find wherever it needs to be repaired. If it's in your heart, they'll fix it. If it's in your liver, they'll fix it. If it's in your skin, they'll fix it.
How to prepare it correctly. Use unsweetened cocoa powder. Look for 70% or higher cacao. Mix with hot water or plant milk. No sugar needed. Optional cinnamon or vanilla. 1 to 2 cups a day is enough. This is not a dessert. It's a cell-supporting ritual. Drinks that damage stem cells. To get real results, we also need to address what undermines stem cell activity. 1. Excess alcohol. Suppresses stem cell regeneration. Increases oxidative stress. Disrupts liver and blood repair systems. 2. Sugar-sweetened beverages. Cause blood sugar spikes. Increase inflammation. Directly impair stem cell signaling. Replacing these with the drinks discussed today can make a measurable difference over time. Your body is designed to repair itself.
Well, alcohol. You let it have a lot of alcohol in your bloodstream, that stuns our stem cells. A lot of fat. If you have a lot of cholesterol racing around in your bloodstream, all right, high fat will stun your stem cells, slow it down. High blood sugar, hyperglycemia, that's a term that we use when we refer to, like a lot of people talk about glucose spikes and glucose crashes. As a scientist and as a clinician, I tend to focus on what's the average amount of blood sugar that's running around.
Stem cells are not rare or magical. They are built in. By supporting them with pure pomegranate juice, green or black tea, high flavanol cocoa, you give your body the conditions it needs to stay resilient, energetic, and responsive. Start with one drink, build the habit, and rotate over time. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to age stronger, not faster. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next one.